Hey guys, it's my last seed haul for the year and I figured that I would go ahead and show you what I got from seedsnow.com. I got some things that are a little bit unusual for me and I'll show you what they are, but if you've seen these before or they're not unusual for you, let me know in the comments and anything that you'd like to do with these. These are my Purple Passion asparagus crowns and roots. Purple asparagus. There is a 20% off your next purchase, so they gave me a discount card. That's always fun. All right, so we're just gonna start grabbing things in here. So all the seeds come in these little packets. The first one that I've got is white Armenian cucumber. So they're white cucumber seeds. There are 10 seeds in here, so I'll have white cucumbers. The next one, Oxheart pink tomatoes. These are indeterminate too. And I thought that this was cool because they're actually like kind of heart-shaped. You know, some of them that you see don't look so heart-shaped, but you know, tomatoes don't always grow in like the perfect shape anyways. These are indeterminate tomatoes as well. They're black cherry tomatoes. We're gonna pop a little color in our garden with these fun like white cucumbers, black tomatoes. And then we have Romanesco broccoli. This is fun. This is a really fun looking broccoli. And I've talked to some people who've grown it before. I think it's just gonna be really cool to feed the kids this broccoli and like they're not gonna know what it is. Tansy. So I'm not exactly sure if I want to plant this after I got it. The seeds were really cheap, but there are some precautions that you have to take with tansies after I looked it up and I'm like, you know what, like I've got goats, I've got kids, I don't know. So I have to think about this one. I might donate those seeds. They were really cheap though. Chives, I don't know why I got chives. I already have chives, you can split them, but the boyfriend wanted me to get chive seeds, so I got more chive seeds. So we have chives that are already growing in the garden. I got garlic chive seeds and then more regular chive seeds. So we're gonna have lots of chives. He wants lots of chives, so. Purple broccoli. We're putting so much color in the garden. I've never had purple broccoli before. Sure, it tastes the same, but it's gonna be fun. Dill, 100 seeds. This is actually like a normal plant, but I'll tell you right now that I am obsessed with dill. It is my favorite herb, and I can add it to like anything. And you can judge me for that if you want to, but it's definitely my favorite. So I'm gonna plant some this year. What's your favorite herb? Let me know in the comments. I'm sure I've never met anybody else who likes dill the way that I do, and the price of spices and herbs in the store is ridiculous. I should not have to pay like $10 for a little thing of dill like this. These are just deer-resistant wildflowers. Licorice basil. This is going to be a really good addition to my daughter's tea garden. So if you saw the other video where I unboxed the tea garden set, we do have other things that we're adding in addition to what was in that set. So that's going to be exciting. This is, why do I have a soil pack? Oh, okay. So this was a free gift. So I think every month this company Seeds Now has a free gift that they add to any orders. And for the month, the month of March when I ordered, their free gift was a free seed starter kit for Gardener's Delight tomatoes, and they are a cherry tomato. So they actually put the little soil pod in there with the seeds. I haven't used these soil pods in a really long time. I think that's something that I started using when I first started my garden, but they're not really a necessity. So, but it's cool. I was like, why did I get one soil pod? That's why. It was part of their free gift. And if you like any of these, this company has so many things that you can't just find in the store. So if you're looking for different kinds of seeds that you're not just going to find when you walk into Lowe's, or you're not just going to find like on most seed websites, this is a really good place to get them. They're affordable and they have a ton of variety here. You've got lemon cucumbers. I bought these one time and I don't think I ever planted them. So I have seen these in the store before. I don't remember ever growing them. Catnip, that's for my daughter's garden as well. Not that she's going to be eating the catnip, but she's going to be really excited because she's a cat person. She loves her cats and she's going to love to grow her own catnip. Okay, then we've got banana melons. Never tasted banana melons. Let me know if this is something that you have had before. I've never tasted them. I just wanted to add a variety of things in my garden that I've never grown before, so I added those in. Roman chamomile. So we already have German, now we have Roman, so we'll have both types. Again, that one's for my daughter's tea garden as well. Cinnamon basil. This is another one for my daughter's tea garden and for me. This one is really cool. So this is Cucamelon West India cucumber, and it's like this really fun spiky looking cucumber. Supposedly it's really good for pickling. Never tried it. I figured it was fun looking, so we're gonna give it a shot. Ooh, these are big fat seeds. What did I get? So these are pull beans, scarlet runners. Nothing too fancy, I've done those before, but they're still fun, still colorful. And then we've got chocolate bell peppers. And chocolate bell peppers, supposedly they taste just like a sweet pepper, but they're fun because they look like they're made out of chocolate. I figured that that might be fun for the kids too. And the rest is just dirt. Show you, here are my crowns. And then I've got the asparagus seeds as well. So we're gonna start our asparagus garden. Really excited for that. I'm super, super, super excited to start this garden and to have such a variety. So if you're interested in any of these and you want to start your own fun garden with like fun, colorful things, in the description box, I will put the link. It is an affiliate link so that you can go ahead and start your own fun garden. And they also gave me a discount code that I can share with all of you so that you can save a little bit more money when you order. If you like this video and you want to see how my garden grows and how these turn out, then make sure you click subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss our future like homesteading videos. And I will see you guys all later. Bye guys.